Good morning. I'm going to show you how you can create an assignment and be sure that it will make a copy for each student, just like you would in Google Classroom. So I'm in my Schoology, a history sample section, and in this tab, I have a little um, pretend icebreaker that I just created in Google Slides. So each student would decorate a slide so that I can learn more about them. And if I want to make sure that every student will get their own copy, when I go to add materials in the Schoology course that I want, I'm going to click on add assignment. And the important thing right here, once you're in add assignment, is that you have to use assign from app, Google Drive assignments. I'm going to put in a title about me. I would make this fancier if it was a real assignment, but this is just pretend. Right, give it a little description. Now I'm going to click on Google Drive assignments. The about me is the most recent thing I did in Google Drive, so it's at the top. I'm going to click attach. And as you can see right here, it says this will create a copy of your file for each student. I'm going to give it a due date of August 26th. It's ungraded because it's an icebreaker. And I'm going to click create. Now I'm still in my teacher view, but I can go over here and look at the about me. And I can click on in progress to see if any of my students have started it. Now, this is my fake course, so Miss Lagletter Silva is my pretend student, and obviously she hasn't started this yet because I just put it in. But if she had, you could see her own copy of the slide right here, just like when you're in Google Classroom, just like the way it worked in the spring. All right, if you have any questions, let us know.